Okay, on page 2, we have our words with our U consonant E. That tells me that the U will say U as in unicorn. Examples: mule, commute, they travel to work every day. Fuse, computer, volume, and cute cat. Our frequency words: city, hold, land, mile, much, river, sea, wash. A trip on a ship. Number 1, people ride a ship down the river. Number 2, they go out on the sea for a trip. Number 3, they go for miles and miles. Number 4, they do not see a city or land for much of the trip. Number 5, the waves wash on the side of the ship. Number 6, if the waves get big, the people must hold on. The boy's wondering, what would you like to see from a ship? Okay, moving on to our first phonics story for the week. The title is, How Can We Use Water? The author, the woman who wrote the story, is named Anna Halloran. Notice these are real pictures. This is a nonfiction text. We will learn many facts from this text. The story structure, it's organized into a main idea with supporting details. So the main idea is going to be, how can we use water? And the supporting details will be found throughout the story. Page 4. People use water in lots of ways. They have invented ways to stop water, hold water, and save water. Then they can use it for fun, to drink, to be safe, and more. So right there, it tells me my main details are going to be, how do we stop water, hold water, and save water, and the reasons we do it, for fun, drinking, and being safe. Page 5. One way to save water is to put up a dam. A dam will hold back a river. So you notice this is a nice large dam. It holds back the river, okay? Page 6. When water is saved in back of a dam, it can form a lake miles long. People can swim or ride boats in this lake. Or the water from such a lake can be sent to a city. Then people will have water for drinking, washing, and other uses. Okay, notice there's a pumping station, there's a cleaning station, there's pipes, right? The water's coming from the lakes, going to the pipes in the cleaning station, gets pumped through here, goes into storage tanks, and then it gets pushed through more pumps, and it ends up in your sink. Page 8. One way to stop flooding is to put up a dike. A dike will hold back the sea or a lake. This stops water from flooding the land in back of the dike. So notice here's your dike. When the water comes up, it seeps into all these cracks or crevices, and it keeps the water from going up on the land. And we have that label dike, part of our non-fictional text features. Page 9. A lock can help boats use a river in which the water level shifts up and down. So yes, this water can be higher or lower. Back here you have your locks. See, on this page we have a diagram. The first thing that happens is this boat goes through this open gate, right? The second thing that's going to happen is the gate shut and the water level between the two gates rises, right? Because that boat needs to get from here to up here. So on the third picture, this gate opens because the water level is the same and the boat goes through. That's what a lock does. Page 11. Oh, my bad. The lock has gates at each end. It has a way to let water in and out. The water can lift boats up and drop them down. In the past, mules were used to tug boats through the lock. Now boats go through without using mules. So you notice there's a mule and he's pulling this boat through the lock. Old school. Page 12. Some people commute or go from home to jobs on water. They take a boat to get to jobs. Some people take fun trips on boats. They can eat on these boats. They can even ski off these boats. You notice this lady's water skiing? Or man, can't really tell. 14. People can use water in lots of ways. So the main idea was the ways in which we use water. And the supporting details were how we stopped water by using dikes and locks. how we saved water by using dams and held on to water the same way. And we do these things so that we have water to drink, water to have fun on, and to be safe.